I bet you didn't know just how easy it is to fix your Apple CarPlay issues in a Honda CRV. Here's a quick guide to get your CarPlay back on track. Step 1. Check your connections. Make sure your iPhone is securely plugged into the USB port. Sometimes a loose connection is all it takes to mess things up. Step 2. Restart your car and your iPhone. Turn off your car, then turn it back on. Do the same with your iPhone. A fresh start can solve many tech issues. Step 3. Update your software. Make sure both your iPhone and your car's infotainment system are up to date. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update on your iPhone. For your car, check your owner's manual for instructions. Step 4. Enable CarPlay. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then CarPlay. Select your car and make sure CarPlay is enabled. Step 5. Reset your settings. If all else fails, you can try resetting your iPhone's network settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. Be aware this will erase your Wi-Fi passwords. And there you have it. 5 easy steps to get your Apple CarPlay working again in your Honda CRV. If you're still having trouble, contact your nearest Honda dealership. Don't let tech glitches ruin your drive. Follow these steps and get back on the road with confidence.